Hey everyone, I'm Basanta from Smart Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up the left sidebar of the Gmail. Before starting, please subscribe and share my channel and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button. My channel is youtube.com/smarttechguide, and you can find on the mobile app by searching Smart Tech Guide altogether within quote, and the channel will appear on the first line, and then you can subscribe, then click on the bell icon next to subscribe and select all to get notified of my future videos. Or you can also subscribe me from the video underneath the video, the red subscribe button, and click on the bell icon and select all right from there. Or also you can subscribe from the watermark on the bottom right corner of the video if you are watching on the desktop. So with that said, let's go back to Gmail, and we're cleaning up this little section on the left sidebar. So if you have used Gmail for maybe 15-16 years, you might have a lot of labels and clutter messing around. You might not get the required labels, and you have to search through. It's better to have cleaner look. So how do you clean that up? You can do it in two different ways. You can do it right from here without going back to setting, or you can do it from the setting. Either way, it's the same thing. Let's start. So first I'll show you by going to the setting. That's easier and all at one shot. So if you navigate to the setting right here, if you're on the older version of the Gmail, setting will be here. If you're on the newer Gmail, then setting is moved a little bit up, and it's a two-step process now. So select see all setting, and then go to the labels, and then from here you'll be choosing what labels you want to show it in the email, left sidebar and whatnot. So based on this setting, it will appear on the left sidebar. And one more thing is the bottom part, chat and meet section, it is enabled from this another different tab. You can disable chat, you can disable meet, or you can enable depending on your preference. If you like to have one click access to meeting or hangout chat or even Google Voice calls, you can call to your friends from Google Voice right from there, or on Hangout right from here, and you can access all the contacts using the same option if you enable these. I prefer to enable these, but if you don't like all these clutter, you can disable these, both of these, or any one of these. So this is here in chat and meet. Another labels, everything else is inside label. So anything that you say black show, it should be visible here. Anything you say hide, it should not be visible here, unless you click more on the this section here. This more hides everything that you hide from here. So if you click more, you'll still see all these labels that you hide from here. So without clicking more or less, all these are the cleaned up label. So if you clean up label and you want to access only certain labels, it will be visible anything above more section. So whatever you want to access that are hidden, you can access from more again. So this is one place you can change all these settings, show or hide. If it's enabled, that will be black, notice that. If it's blue, that means it's not enabled. So with that said, let me go back to the original page so that I can show you how to enable or disable right from here. For that, again, you need to go under more section down there and click on the it's applicable for most of the labels, but not for all. So if I want to see categories, let's say, then I need to click on the three dot ellipsis icon next to the category and say show or hide on the label list. This is the label list, and these are the message list. Again, if you say hide from the message list, that means it won't even show on the message list. So you won't be doing this, but you will be doing the label list. So if you hide, it will be under the more. If you don't hide or show, it will go up above the more section, so you don't have to click more section to access the level. Let's say I want to enable this one. This is my different email that comes to the Gmail also. If I want to enable that, now it moved up. I need to scroll up to see that. See, this is up above the more section. If you see here, these are all the below more, and this is the more or less section. After that you won't see anything by default without clicking more. So this is now available with one-click access. So this is how you can clean up your settings, levels, and you can also choose to disable or enable the meet and chat section. Per my preference, I like to keep this because I can access on-click access to phone calls. I can call my friends using the Google Voice, or I can chat with Hangout friends, or I can even start the meeting right from here using join meeting or start meeting. With that said, that's my time today. Thank you for watching.